In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a password on YouTube TV to secure your account and prevent unauthorized access. Adding a password is especially helpful if you share your device with others or want to ensure your subscription remains private. Let's get started. To add or update your password, start by signing into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Account section. Here you'll find an option to manage your Google account settings, as YouTube TV accounts are tied to Google. Once you're redirected to your Google account page, look for the Security tab. Under the Signing into Google section, you'll see the Password option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve entering your current password or receiving a verification code via email or text. After verification, you can create and confirm a new password. If you're looking to add parental controls or restrict certain content on YouTube TV, you can set up a profile pin. Go back to the YouTube TV app or website, click on your profile picture and select Settings. Then go to Profile Settings and choose Profile Pin. Create a 4-digit PIN that will be required to switch profiles or access restricted content. This ensures that only users with the PIN can view specific profiles or make changes. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code sent to your phone whenever you sign in from a new device. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on securing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope adding a password to your YouTube TV account helps keep it safe. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.